Hi everyone, welcome to Roshni's Creamy Bakes. Today I am going to share the recipe of eggless vanilla cake in cooker. So let's start. I have taken a cooker here and I have added salt in it and placed a stand on it. Now preheat it for 10 minutes. Now I have greased the mold with oil and placed the butter paper on all the sides. Now take a bowl, add half a cup of milk, and into this add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it well and keep it aside for 5-10 minutes. Now take another bowl and with the help of a strainer sieve all the dry ingredients, that is maida, milk powder, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Now sieve all the dry ingredients. Sieve it for 2 times. It makes the batter fluffy and airy. This step is very important. Now our milk has been curdled. Into this add oil, powdered sugar, and vanilla essence. Now mix it well with a whisker. Now into the dry ingredients add the milk mixture gradually. Mix it well and make a lump-free batter. Don't add all the milk mixture one at a time. Add it in 2 to 3 batches to avoid the lumps. Now with the help of a spatula, scrape the sides of the bowl and mix the batter by using the cut and fold method. So our batter is in a perfect consistency. Now transfer it in a mold and tap it for 3-4 times so that the air bubbles are removed. Now bake the cake for 40 to 45 minutes at a medium flame. And remove the whistle of the cooker. After 45 minutes, check with a toothpick. It has come out clean. It means it has been perfectly baked. Now let it cool down for 3-4 hours and then we will do the icing. And now our cake has been cooled down. First cut the cake in 2 parts with a knife. And now I have taken 1 cup of whipping cream, chilled whipping cream, and beat this with an electric beater. First beat at a low speed and then slowly increase the speed. Beat the cream till we get the stiff peaks like this. Now take a cake board, apply some cream on it and place 1 layer of the cake so that the cream gets stick to the cake. Now apply some sugar syrup on the cake. Now I have added the whipping cream in a piping bag. Spread the cream like this with the help of a palette knife. Again take the second layer of the cake and repeat the same process. Apply some sugar syrup. and spread the cream evenly with the help of a palette knife. On the sides also, apply the cream and smooth it with the palette knife and remove the extra cream also. Now I have taken a cake comb here and I am making design on the sides of the cake. And with the help of a palette knife, remove the extra cream. Now I have taken some whipped cream in a bowl and I am adding pink color in it. It's a gel color. Now beat it only for 30 seconds so that it mixes well. Now I have taken the pink whipped cream in the piping bag and I am making some rosettes on it with the help of a star nozzle. Now I have taken another star nozzle and I am making small stars like this. You can do any design of your choice. Now I am making the borders of the cake with the help of a star nozzle. And lastly, I am decorating the cake with some silver balls. So our eggless vanilla cake is ready and it's looking very pretty. Refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours and then serve. Hope you all liked this video. Please share it with your family and friends and share your reviews in the comment box given below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.